Hi folks, it's Chef Kevin here. Do you like English peas? That's what I'm making tonight. These are not green peas. These are English peas. They look similar to green peas, except these are a little bit more miniature. They do have a little bit better taste than green peas, I believe. It's much more on the pea side. It's a very delicate vegetable. And what I'm going to do, like most of my videos, I saute the vegetables. Or I grill them. I don't like to steam them. I don't like to boil them. When you boil them, you spoil them. So I'm going to saute them. I got a little olive oil here. Sauteing just adds so much more flavor. And then I also have some white onion here. I'm going to go ahead, the pan's already hot. I don't think most people even realize that you can saute peas. Now, like I said, I just used a little olive oil, so there's no butter in here. So it's still pretty healthy, despite the fact that I have a little oil in here. These are so much better than canned peas. I think that those canned vegetables are just the worst. And the frozen ones aren't much better. So I'm going to let these cook down a while, and then I'm going to shut the video off, and I'll come back and you can view the final product. Thanks for watching. Okay folks, here it is. Sauteed English peas with onion. You can see the onions have a little brownness to them. Nice color. The peas look very nice. And this would make a nice side with just about any protein, any fish, poultry, meat. This would go great with all that. Okay, don't forget to eat your vegetables.